Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Equities have been sold. After yesterday's holiday, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan reopened and responded strongly to Washington's latest sanctions against China in the chip sector. Stoxx 600 Europe is down 1.2%. This is its fifth consecutive losing session. The U.S. futures are down about 1%. The dollar is still riding high. It has reached its highest level in relation to the yen since the intervention. The Canadian dollar has dropped to its lowest level for 2.5 years, while the New Zealand dollar is close to the 2020 extreme. Today, the greenback is stronger against all major currencies except the Swiss franc. For the fifth consecutive session, gold is pulling back. It is now below $1,665 after trading at $1,730 last week. December WTI reached its peak yesterday at $92.35 and is now at 87.30. Asian Pacific Market. The August current account of Japan highlights a weight on many currencies that continues to be attributed to monetary divergence. Equity outflows are another source of pressure for several Asian currencies. The JPY 145.90 high last month was close to where the dollar is now. Market participants hesitate, fearful of another intervention. The assumption that the Bank of Japan will defend a certain level is probably erroneous. The market is cautious, however. The Australian dollar experienced a bearish outward down day on Thursday and has been falling for the last 3 sessions. Today, it fell marginally to $0.6250. Market of Europe. Recent reports suggest that Germany has made a significant shift in its position. It is now able to support a joint EU debt issue. Germany was heavily criticized for its allocation of €200 billion to offset the energy shock at home, while opposing a joint EU bond to assist others. The euro is currently in a narrow quarter-cent band at $0.09700. Payrolls rose 69,000 in the UK despite a revised 31,000 increase in August. This was slightly stronger than we expected. The 5.4% increase in base pay in August on a 3-month basis was the 7th increase in 8 months. It is also the fastest rate since August 2021. For the first time in a month, sterling traded below $1.10. It is still heavy. Market of America. The U.S. today reports its monthly budget balance ahead of tomorrow's CPI and tomorrow's PPI. Although it tends to not be a market mover, it serves as a reminder that monetary policy is not about just monetary policy. Today, the Canadian dollar was sold at new lows of CAD 138.55. The Canadian dollar has risen to CAD 138.55. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.